खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, अब की बार 400 पार।
In the most recent uptick of tensions between Iran and Israel in the Middle East, an advisor to the Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Khamenei, stated that Iran would change its nuclear doctrine if Israel threatens its existence. According to prominent cabinet member Kamal Karazi, Iran may acquire nuclear weapons if Israel poses a threat to Iran's existence. Speaking to a local news network, Karazi echoed Iran's policy of having no plans to build a nuclear bomb. It is essential to note that while the Western governments suspect that Iran wishes to obtain a nuclear bomb, Tehran, in its otherwise peaceful nuclear doctrine, asserts that the country has no plans to obtain nuclear weapons. But should Iran's existence be threatened, there will be no choice but to change our military doctrine, Karazi stated. The statements came amidst heightened tensions between Iran and Israel following the attack on the Iran's embassy in Syria's capital, Damascus, earlier in April, which claimed the lives of some of the senior officials of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. Subsequently, Iran launched 300 missiles against Israel in its brutal assault, of which 99% were intercepted by the combined forces of Israel, the US and its allies. Notably, in 2022, the same advisor to Khamenei said that Iran was technically capable of making a nuclear bomb but had no intention to do so. Ayatollah Khamenei, who has the final say in Tehran's nuclear program, issued a fatwa in the early 2000s opposing the development of nuclear weapons. He reiterated in 2019 that building and stockpiling nuclear weapons was wrong and using it is haram or religiously forbidden. However, it seems that the ongoing conflict in the Israel-Hamas war and now the Israel and Iran conflict is forcing Tehran to alter its nuclear doctrine. Iran and Israel have long been arch enemies, with Tehran refusing to recognize Israeli existence, but their decade-long proxy war became an open confrontation last month after Tehran launched hundreds of missiles and drones against Israel in response to a suspected Israeli attack on an Iranian embassy in Syria's capital, Damascus.